Hello dear kids and dear parents. Welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. Please subscribe my channel for further notification for further videos. In this channel I am going to share some topics related classes like nursery, junior KG and senior KG. So today basically I am here going to teach you about the senior KG concept. You can say senior KG or UKG. It's about a concept math before number. So today we are going to learn about before numbers. Now let me tell you what is before numbers. Before numbers means a number which comes in front of. In front of. A number which comes in front of. Suppose I am going to show you something here in this paper. You can see a picture where a dog, a ladybug, a monkey is there. Okay, now what you can see, the three animals were there. Two animals and one insect is there. So what is before dog? Before dog is a ladybug. So what is there before dog? Before dog is ladybug. Now what is in front, or you can say before ladybug? It's a monkey. It's a monkey. What is there in front of a ladybug, or you can say before a ladybug? It's a monkey. So here what you understand, in front, before means in front of. You can see in front of a dog is a ladybug, and in front of a ladybug it's a monkey. It's a monkey. So this is, you can see the picture and you can see the picture and you can identify which is before, which is in front of. So in front of dog is a ladybug and in front of a ladybug is a monkey. Now the same thing I'm going to show you with the help of a number line. For the kids, we have to draw the number line, because without the number line it's very difficult for the kids to understand what is the number before, because in the senior KG it's not possible for them to remember what the number comes before. So every time you give them any worksheet or give them any number, you just draw a number line. So let me draw a number line for you all. So what we have to do, we have to draw a number line from 1 to 10. Okay, suppose it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here you can see the number line from 1 to 10. Okay, so with the help of this number line, we can tell the kids to identify which number comes before or in front of. Suppose I will be asking 10, the number 10, what is the before number of 10? What number comes before 10? What number comes before 10? It's number 9. What number comes before 10? It's number 9. Again I will ask, what number comes before 9? It is 8. What number comes before 9? It's number 8. Okay. What number comes before 8? 7. What number comes before 8? It's number 7. What comes before 7? Number 6. What comes before 7? Number 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 6? It's 5. Number 5. Now, what comes before 5? Number 4. What comes before 5? It's number 4. Now, what comes before 4? 3. Number 3. Now, what comes before number 3? Number 2. Now, what comes before number 2? It's number 1. So this is how you can make a number line from 1 to number 10, and you can ask the kids to identify which number comes before 10. Suppose in this mango, I have written here number 8. Which number I have written here? It's a number 8. Now if I ask you which number comes before 8, can you tell me? Yes. Which number comes before 8? It's number 7. It's number 7. So you can write here in this flower number 7. Okay. Now, if I ask you what comes before number 7, you can see the number line here. What comes before number 7? It's number 6. Which number it is? It's number 6. So, you can write here in this house number 6. Number 6. What you can write here? Number 6. Suppose one more example I am going to give you with the help of this flower. Suppose here we are having some flower like this. Here I have written here number 5. What I have written here? Number 5. Number 5. Now you tell me which number comes before 5. Suppose here I have done another flower. Okay, here I have done another flower. Now you tell me what number comes before 5. You can see the number line easily. If you ask the child like this, what number comes before 5? You can see 5 before number is 4. What number is this? Number 4. This is number 4. So what number is this? Number 4. Likewise, you can give them some worksheet in before numbers. Like I have done the worksheet like here. You can see you have to draw the number line first. You have to draw the number line first, and you can draw some pictures like this, trees or flower or something like this, some fishes or some clouds, balloons like this, and we can give the number, and definitely with the help of the number line. If you give the number line to the kids, it will be easy for them to identify what number comes before. So please do with this method. It will make helpful to them to understand what number comes before. Before means the number which comes in front of. The number which comes in front of. So just tell them which number comes in front of. What number comes before 10? Before 10 is 9. What comes before 9? Before 9 comes 8. Like this you can see the worksheet. You can make the worksheet like this. And so this, I hope you understood about the before numbers. So if you want more worksheet about this related to math concept or English concept, please stay tuned further for my next video. I'll be bringing some more worksheet for you, like before numbers, after numbers. So I hope you have all understood. Thank you.